What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we on the Cutlass. We on the Cutlass today. Like I said, man, it's a lot of stuff going on. It's all the same day with everything else, but it's another vlog, cause it's another car. So I got the Cutlass right here ready. So the plan for today, as you can see by the thumbnail, it's time to get the rear end built. About to make it happen. I'm going to hustle hard. Going to holler at my boy Frank Jackson. Been supporting me for a long time, man. And I got to speak on Frank, man. I got to speak on Frank. I ain't gonna do it in the introduction, but I'm gonna do it later on the vlog. Tell y'all why I call that man family and everything, and how humble he is, and just can't say enough about him. Him and his wife missed. But it going down there to Frank. We got a 2-hour drive on our hand. I'm going to see him though. I'm about to get one of them hustle hard rings. So that means I'm about to be flying. Hey, but y'all know Frank, man, first time I really put Frank on hustle hard performance, he built that Monte Carlo called Bo Dilly. I done put a clip in it before in a vlog. That thing was going 570s with a 7.5 rear end. It's unheard of. Them things break. 7.5 known to break on the power, and they was spreading it down. Real street car, 570s. Way back, man. So I'm about to get that hustle hard work, man. We about to Frank Jackson on the rear end. So I'm driving this car down there. I'm not putting it on the trailer. I got street cars. I'm gonna drive it all the way down there. Wife and the kid gonna follow me, and gonna get to it. So I got everything needed. Let me see. Let's go in here. I got everything needed, y'all. I went to AutoZone last night and got the rest of got the fluids and stuff. I went with the big boy fluid this time, the Royal Purple. Yes, indeed. I fell in love when I used their break-in oil, man. They really make some good stuff. They make some good stuff. It's high. It is high, but it's some good oil, man. I like Royal Purple, everything there, except the regular cars. But when I get ready to change the oil again, and well, in the Camaro, I'm probably gonna start running Royal Purple too. But we got the additive too. Remember, I told you gotta always have the additive, which I probably didn't need this one, cause I think something come with this when you buy it. I think a little bottle come with it. I can't remember. But we got everything we need. Carrier, ring and pinion, install gear, complete. Oh, I bought these yesterday too, y'all, from AutoZone, man. They was on the aisle like, man, I need this. I ain't got this size. I ain't got no 3/8 drive. I ain't got no 3/8 drive mini ratchet, so I got that. And I got one of them slim heads. I don't know what you call them. Longer handle, so always picking up tools, so new tool pick up. But yeah, we're gonna head down in a minute. We're gonna be driving all the way down through there, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. We about to go. I'm about to load everything up, and we about to ride to hustle hard. So see, we got a good little ride. Cutlass to do it with no problem. So yep, finna hit the road. Then when we get there, we'll check back in. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in on the road. Been driving about 40 minutes, but look how cool this thing runs. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that hand now. It's the one to the far left. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look how far back that hand is. And it's super cool day today, so this thing here really don't get hot, man. When you're going down the road, it run like 150 degrees going down the road. Now somebody had asked about the fan shroud, and usually, yeah, you do need a fan shroud, but especially with a clutch fan. But I guess, man, I don't know. When I'm sitting in traffic, it run up to 190. It sit right there at 190, which is still normal operating temperature. And then you're going down the road, it run 150 average, but it's a cool day, so this thing running super cool. But I mean, we on the way to Hustle Hard. Wifey behind me. I think we about an hour and a half left. So we're gonna get this thing there, man, drop it off, and it's gonna be a very quick turnaround. Trust me, very quick turnaround. So we'll see what Frank got going on. We get there and then gonna check back in. So y'all know it's windy. We checking in. We out here with Frank. Hustle Hard came out here. The number is on the screen. Make sure to hit him up. About to get everything right for it, y'all. Then we're gonna hit the dyno and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure to hit up Hustle Hard Performance. Y'all know they do the A1 work all the time. And had to bring something to him. Man, cause been supporting me for a long time. Like I said, when we get back to the house, I'm gonna get y'all the story on me and Frank and all of that. Great guy. They build some fast stuff, that's all I can say. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's here, and I catch y'all at the house. All right, y'all, we checking back in. Back, man, from boy, that's a mean little ride. That's a mean ride, boy. That 4 hours round trip for me. 4 hour round trip. See a spider one. But we got the Cutlass dropped off, like I said, man. Hustle Hard Performance. Got to shout out to Frank. Man. Like I said, Frank one of the most solid people ever. Like, that man share everything I do. Like on Facebook, no matter what platform it coming from, no matter what it is, if it costs us, real talk, he been doing this jump for the past 2 years. He share everything. And man, for somebody to always show gratitude, how can you not appreciate him? Like, he always say, Hustle Hard wouldn't be where it's at without you. Always tell me that, man. And not even ashamed to tell the world that too. So, you know, you got to appreciate people like that. And man, I always been wanting to get something to him for him to put his hands on. Like I said, when I did the S10 build way back, I wanted him to put his hands on it then, but it was just time piled up, so I was trying to get it done. But man, I'm glad that Frank getting to touch one of my cars or whatever. He gonna touch more of my cars too. So I know in the turnaround about to be crazy. He literally told me he gonna have it ready tomorrow, and he doing the rear end, and he gonna go ahead and throw the valve cover gaskets on there for me too, and just run through and make sure to check the valves and all that. Cause one on the rocker arm sound like it was tapping a little bit. I don't know, but he gonna look at it and check it out for me and all of that. So I mean, he doing all that. So I got to shout out to Frank big time. Appreciate everything that he do and is doing or whatever. So, you know, it just been a long day moving cars around, all that. Cause like I said, told y'all I had all this going on in the same day with multiple cars. So like I said, we down there, we at Hustle Hard, man. Get the car back tomorrow. Then the car will have the rear end in it, 2 tires and all of that, and then it's going down. All I can say. So, and tomorrow, like I said, the whole week gonna be action packed. I got a dyno appointment. It's confirmed. I got the dyno appointment scheduled for the Cutlass. So the Cutlass gonna hit the dyno this week. For sure. The Cutlass gonna hit the dyno this week. I gotta get the transmission up to DJ so we can go ahead and get that swapped out. That's the last thing I need to do. When they get a good transmission in it, a great transmission in it, and that rear end, it's gonna be a pretty quick car. It's gonna be a pretty quick little fun car you can drive anywhere. So that's the plan. I ran the gas out of it. I'm trying to get the gas out of the Cutlass car. When I take it to the dyno, I want to run it on race fuel. I'm gonna put 110 or 112 octane in it. So that's why I'm trying to get the fuel level low. And then when I pick it up tomorrow, I'm gonna pour some race fuel in there, get it back home, then pour a little bit more to go to the dyno. So I'm probably gonna end up putting like 10 gallons of race fuel in it. You go to the dyno. So that's the plan. We got a lot cooking this week. A whole lot cooking this week. And if you don't know, then I'm uploading on both channels. And that's because back in December, finna try the other channel out again, so the content gonna be spread out. You know, like I said, more build type content probably be over here, or sometime might be on the other one, and you know, more action or riding content and all that probably gonna be on the other channel. You know, they're gonna be flip flop. All I can say is tune in to both channels. Stay tuned in to both channels so you don't miss nothing. Make sure you hit that little bell, turn on the post notification, then you'll be notified every time I drop something. So trying to make sure I update everything on the Cutlass. We got the radio. When the radio come, the LEDs, I need to see if the LEDs came. I ain't sure. I think the LEDs supposed to come today, but I don't know. I gotta check the tracking. I've been running all day. But so we gonna have dyno coming. Definitely gonna have some footage when I'm gonna hit it. I got the tester in out. So we got that. We got the dyno footage coming. See how much power it's gonna put down. And I don't think that blower making but 5 pounds of boost right now. Cause it is another pulley. You actually go up. I found out you can go up the pulley size and it change. I think the crankshaft pulley gets smaller. I can't remember. I'm learning about supercharged. I'm learning. But I see what y'all was talking about in the comments. Some people were saying I did say that wrong, blow through carburetor. Cause this is my first supercharged, so excuse me if I say something wrong. I'm learning. I will tell y'all that off top, I'm learning when it comes to supercharged. Roots blower. That's what that is. But so I don't know what size carburetor that is. I don't. So I'm gonna call today and try to get the build sheet on it complete, cause I got little scattered details, cause I really didn't kill that much. It was such a nice car. I really wasn't sweating what it was, cause I knew it wasn't nothing too radical. I really wasn't sweating it. But I'm gonna find out exactly what it is. Cause I don't know what size carburetor it is, but I saw what y'all was talking about. I learned and looked it up. I saw what people talking about. Those blowers do like big carburetors. They like big CFM carburetors. That is true. So it's a couple of people knew what they was talking about. I guess y'all done dealt with them. That's why I love having such a variety of people watch my content. You know, different variety of age range of people from different background, ethnic backgrounds and all that. Cause we all can learn something from each other. But yeah, man, I'm gonna change that carburetor. I'm gonna change it cause I don't think it's that big, but from what I'm seeing on the root style blowers, bigger is better. Especially when you're getting into bigger cubic inches. Bigger is better. They like it. So, and I understand the science of it too. That's what I like. I don't like to just know something. I like to know why. So I understand the science of why they like something bigger too. So we probably gonna do that. It just bolt on stuff, man. That car bolt on stuff, man. I'm not getting into nothing radical. It's like I said, it's a nice car. I drove down there, heat on, cruising all the way there. I gotta change the tires. I found a set of tires, white letters. I gotta go get the old order and all of that good stuff. But yeah, man. All in all, like I said, good day. Once again, I'm happy, man, that it's at Hustle Hard. Shout out to Frank for coming through at the last minute. And he stay busy. He real busy, man. He's very busy, but he will get you right. But man, he was able to make that happen for me. Cause I really was trying to get the dyno. I'm trying to get to the dyno this week, and that's gonna happen now. That's gonna happen thanks to Frank, man. Boy, Frank, you see this, man, you're a lifesaver. I know you're gonna see it, man. You're a lifesaver, man. I told him again, but yeah, that's it. So y'all come back tomorrow, man. We're gonna be picking the Cutlass up. And it's gonna be on, man. Gonna be on. So I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.